Okay, this is Manny Pacquiao. You're watching PhilippineNews.com.
Yes, Pagara brothers are ready for tomorrow's fight. I hope all Filipinos will support him tomorrow at the San Mateo Event Center. Magandang laban to kasi si Juarez is matigas din. So ang training naman nila ni Pagara is magaling naman. Wala naman problema sa lahat. Yes, Jason is ready for the fight. Sana suportahan niyo si Jason din. Yes, we are prepared. The Team Pagara is very prepared. Sana po suportahan ito, ipag-pray nyo ang Pagara brothers na sana manalo sila sa laban na ito at saka para natin sa ating bansa.